Okay, so right now you might be thinking, what a peaceful setting. Just some animals enjoying their natural habitat. But you are wrong. May I ask, what the hell are you guys doing? Do you even know how much people could be drinking that water that you're wasting right now?
Almost 844 million people lack basic drinking water services. You may think this is only in rural areas, but unfortunately for us, this is a reality in a lot of urban cities around the world, or urban areas. Even New York is facing a water shortage right now. A lot of cities in Michigan too are having issues with water shortage. What can I speak today? Water shortage. There we go. We all know that water is a resource that we need. That is agreed upon. We just needed to do basically everything. It seems like we're surrounded by water. Like 97% of the water that we possess is just salt water that is in the sea. But the thing is, for the ones who are less informed, we can't use that water to eat or to water crops or for basically anything food related, because it is very, very high in salts and in other substances that are toxic to us humans and other animals. So we have to filter it through a very expensive process, which takes very long to do. It is not a good idea to purify salt water and to use it in other stuff we actually use daily. Comes from either underground sources or other sources. Freshwater bodies, to be exact. Lakes, rivers, all that stuff. Here's the thing with it, though. Rivers and lakes are drying out, and our underground water resources are being maimed by ourselves, and that is getting us quite the scarcity in water. So, what can we do exactly to save water? Or what can we do as a society to solve this problem? To reduce our water consumption would be the first answer that we have. Well, if we could reduce our consumption of meat, that would help quite a lot. There's also a lot of beverages and a lot of crops that need a lot of water to be cultivated. And I think the best answer or the best response to most of our ecological problems would be to make and cultivate crops and also animals regionally. The amount of resources that it takes to make products and then export them to another country is enormous. Just in fossil fuel, energy, and the water, it would represent a great saving or a great amount of water being saved just by cultivating our crops locally and raising animals locally. And that wouldn't only help the water problem, it would also help the greenhouse gas issue. And that would also solve the other issues that we have. Zoonotic diseases, endangering of animal species, the destruction of habitats. All that stuff could be solved by just doing that simple step. We have to shift our focus from short-term industries to long-term conservation, both of water and of other natural resources. And I'll see you tomorrow. Rather, in a week. It all seems a bit too fuzzy with the quarantine going on. So anyway, goodbye.
Oh, you guys are wasting water too. Don't think I haven't seen you. You little...